This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. This morning, we're going to take a quick look here at crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. So let's just look at the daily of what's been going on. All right, so what we have here is we had the gap up. You had 6 days sideways action. This basically is everything from OPEC when they cut supply. But you notice it went right into the 200 SMA here. It could not get through. Now, look at all the red candles. Now, today, what we want to do is see how we have the green candle here. We put in a lower low, but let's just see if this will hold. So what we want to do now is we want to look at these support levels. We want to look at this 76.88. We want to look at this 50 SMA here. Sitting here at 76.35. And then we want to look at this gap fill. See, this is 75.72. So if you line that gap fill up here and you go to the monthly chart is sitting at 72.66. So you're right in line with that. This would be very key support levels. So on the weekly chart here, what we want to do is we want to look here at 76.95 and we want to look at 76.09. Now, if this can hold here, and it doesn't always have to just fill the gap in. If this can hold here and rally up, then, I say you could have a pretty nice little run here. But now we have to look at back on the upside. So what do we have here? Now you're below that. So we have to look at 77.89. That's going to be a key resistant level here now. Just like it was on the way down to support, now it's a resistant level. So we want to look at the 21-day SMA here. Then we want to look at this 80.49. That would be the target if it can go above this 21 and rally on up. All right, and obviously if it can get above that, then you can go to this 200 SMA here at 82.90. But if you look at this 200A, this just keeps coming on down. So this price is going to be muted here until it can close actually above this 82.90, that 200. And if it can, then your retest level here is sitting at 83.53. And then we have all these upsides here. You got 85.86, your 21, and then 87.67. But that's getting ahead of yourself on that here. Let's just see if it can hold this key support, or does it retest the gap fill here, and it can close back above this 21 SMA. All right, here we have the natural gas. Okay, so you got your daily and your weekly chart. Now, right here, there really isn't a whole lot here going on today. It's just a sideways action kind of thing. Now, your 50-day or 8-day here is above that key 21-day. Your 21-day is sitting at 2.148. And your 8-day is sitting at 2.179. So that's always a positive sign. So you can see back here, when that 8-day crosses it, see how that price just pushes right on up. So the key levels, what we want to watch here is we want to watch this 8 SMA now sitting at 2.309, okay? And then we want to watch this 50 SMA here sitting at 2.355. It needs to close above. So now you're stuck right in between these SMAs, the 50 SMA and the 821. Now, if these two are lost, then we want to look here at last Friday's retest here at 1.946. All right, let's just see how it all trades out here today. I will have this more in detail here after pick close at 2:30. All right, thanks for watching.